This is our band. Okay, we are band. We play music together, but remember the instruments? Do you remember the instruments that we learned? The instruments from Ireland? There was the mandolin, the tin whistle, the drum. Okay, you remember now? So you are going to choose one instrument and say, I'm playing the, example, I'm playing the guitar, okay? So I'm playing... What instrument? Clémence.
I'm playing accordion.
Accordion. Okay,
Yes.
accordion.
Accordion.
Okay, I'm playing the accordion.
I'm playing the accordion.
Okay, good. Heather.
I'm playing the tin whistle.
Oh, okay, the tin whistle.
I'm playing the harp.
The harp. Okay. The harp. Yes. Tin whistle, harp, accordion.
I'm playing the flute.
Oh, okay. Flute? Okay.
Oh, flute.
Oh yeah, flute like this.
flute.
That's the tin whistle. And I'm playing the guitar. Okay, so are you ready to play?
Yes.
So, listen to our music. It's amazing. Ready and
Action.
go! Nice! So now, you can do this with all your kids. You can create a really big group and play the music as loud as you want. Okay? Bye!